This is big. Big on space. Big in cooling. Big on hygiene. Big and beautiful. Presenting Haier 205 Litres Direct Cool Refrigerator. The big one in a small world. With a smooth chrome handlebar and a full-length chrome finished crown top, this is beauty with a big benefit. Wider veg box, spacious door pockets, a handy base drawer, bigger ice tray with bigger sized ice cubes. All in a 205 litres big value package. Its diamond edge freezing technology is a big step towards better ice formation and cooling retention, even after a power cut. Removable antibacterial gasket and a special ice tray hygiene cover is another big plus. Toughened glass shelves take on the big weight. Bright LED light improves visibility, saves big with less food wastage. Yes, this is big. Haier 205 Litres Direct Cool Refrigerator. The big one in a small world. Haier Inspired Living.